lovely people, welcome back to Live Life Lovely. I am Lakeisha and I'm so glad to have you today. Today I am organizing my cabinets. They are a mess. Like, I buy stuff, I just throw things in the cabinet, and I'm up to here with my cabinets. So today I'm going to organize them very simply using very simple dollar store products. So very easy. So today I'm going to use these labels. I actually got these labels from the Target dollar spot, and they're pocket labels for $1. And as you can see, they give you a guide on the back that tells you how to use them. You just put them on your bin. And what's cool about these labels is that they're pocket labels, so you can actually stick whatever label you have in them. So I wanted to be kind of creative and create my own labels. So let's see how that goes. And I'm going to put the labels on clear bins that I bought from Dollar Tree. So I got 6 of these big bins from Dollar Tree. They all came with these tops, but I'm not going to use the tops. I'm just going to use the bins, and I'm going to put the label on the bin. It actually fits pretty perfect like that. If those are too big, because I just eyed it for my cabinets, I really need like space for all of my spices, and I have a lot of box things, so hopefully they'll fit. And I also bought these smaller versions of the same thing. That's my 2-year-old. I bought these smaller versions of the same thing. They have the tops too. So anyway, I'm going to use those. I hope you like the video. And if you do, please give me a like. And that's it. Very simple. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye. Okay guys, so that is it. These are my spices that I use all the time. As you can see, I need more garlic right there. So I put these on the bottom of the cabinet, and I put right above it the spices that I use sparingly, so that way it will be easy to pull out. These I call the wet spices, but these are the condiments, the liquid food, whatever you want to call it. I thought wet spices was cute. Here's our flour and sugar. Here's our canned goods. Now, I don't really use a lot of canned goods, so that's why I don't have that many. I try to eat as clean as possible. And these are the pasta boxes for like tuna salad and other salad and spaghetti and things like that. So, excuse my shaky hand, but it is late at night, and I just hope that you got some ideas from this quick organizing, very quick, very easy, very cheap way of organizing. Now, I do want to say I had to spill over some things in the next cabinet, my baking goods and my spices that are in bags. In this cabinet, I keep my knives here because I have little children, so I don't want them to get hurt. But yeah, that's basically it. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. And here is one more quick look at my cabinets.